When somebody plays you tightly like that, the tendency is to try and get them off you in some way. Another way to do it is back out with the dribble.
Well, we do.
How much time? How much?
30 seconds.
Ooh.